Among all the outdoor activities, boating is the most entertaining one, which not only gives you fun and relaxation, but also gives you a chance to take a break from all the stress. If you take your friends and family on this kind of trip, that actually doubles the excitement and happiness. However, there are several latest innovative boating gadgets available in the market which you can bring on the trip to make your journey more enjoyable. So let's dig into the cooler boat gadgets, which are the fun and functional things you never knew you needed, but are extremely happy to have aboard. Check the 5 best boating gadgets innovation from us. Who does not want to enjoy icy cold drinks on a boating trip? But keeping your beverages cold without any suitable power source on a boating trip can be very tricky. That's why you need Yeti Hopper Flip, a soft cooler that can keep all of your boating trip's food and beverages in one place and keep them cold. Yeti is globally recognized as a manufacturer of outdoor lifestyle products such as ice chests, vacuum-insulated stainless steel drinkware, soft coolers, and related accessories. The Yeti Hopper is built for those adventures where you want to grab your gear and go. It's the original 100% leak-proof Ice for Days portable cooler. Overall, the cooler measures about 12.5 by 10 by 11.5 inches and weighs around 3 pounds. Inside of the cooler, it has a 3.2 gallons capacity and it's large enough to stash a day's worth of food for a family. Its wall is made of a TPU laminated nylon and its high-density fabric is waterproof and resistant to mildew, pictures, and UV rays. The liner is made from an FDA-approved food-grade material. The Yeti Ice is filled to the brim with science, dialed into the most effective temperature to maximize the ice retention of any cooler with a durable design that is break-resistant. Its custom shape reduces freezing time and comes in multiple size options. The Yeti Ice Cooler zippers are the toughest, highest performing zipper. This hydro-lock zipper makes the Yeti Ice Cooler airtight and waterproof. The most amazing part of this cooler is that it has a small bottle opener, so you will never again be without a way to crack into those cold brews. Also, its sidekick dry is designed to keep the important things accessible, secure, and 100% dry. This waterproof gear case is the best way to carry your keys, wallet, fishing license, and phone in the wild. If you want to bring drinks on your boat, then get this cooler to ensure consistent cold supply on hot summer days. Boating trip with friends and family can be full of fun and enjoy, but on a boating trip, you have to ensure that your stuffs always stay dry as you will be surrounded by water. That's why we are going to introduce you with Artpack, a waterproof dry bag that can keep your stuffs dry without any hassle. It is developed by Artpack, a brand that packs products for traditional outdoor activities like boating, fishing, and more modern activities like adventure, sports, or hiking. This waterproof dry bag from Artpack is built to last for years and provide waterproof protection for even the most rugged users. The original dry bag series is built with welded leak-proof seams and 500D PVC material, making it entirely waterproof and resistant to abrasion and punctures. By using this bag, you can easily protect your important stuffs from the rough weather wherever you go. The Artpack dry bag features a roll-top closure that provides airtight protection while stopping water from entering. This feature will save all of your belongings during kayaking, boating, or fishing adventures. Plus, it features a D-ring which will allow you to tie down your bag to the side of a raft boat or kayak. This dry bag also comes with IPX8 certified 6.5 inches waterproof phone case that will fit even the largest of phones. This phone case features a very simple snap and lock access. It also features dual-sided clear windows, which will allow you to take pictures while mobile is still inside the case. Its 10 and 20-liter bag comes with a single adjustable shoulder strap, and that can be worn across the chest or over the shoulder. And its 30, 40 and 55-liter backpacks are equipped with shoulder straps for added stability. Those shoulder straps are very stylish and comfortable to carry at any position you want. The Artpack dry bag is very durable, waterproof, and with its huge space, it can survive at any rough weather. So if you want to go for a boating trip in rough condition, it can be your great travel companion. If you are planning for a fun boating trip with your friends and families, you need to pack your belongings first and make sure you have left nothing at home. Plus, you need to think about the safety as well. Introducing the Pelican Air 1535 travel case brings a smart solution for carrying all of your stuffs to your boat trip, developed by Pelican, that has been developing military-level protective cases and gear for years. This protective case is built to take your most important pieces of gear and keep all of your gear safe while roaming on the remote surface of the water. This case is made from Pelican's proprietary HPX polymer, which makes it 40% lighter than the similar models from the competition. It weighs 9.98 pounds with foam, and without the foam, it's 8.69 pounds, but it doesn't compromise on impact resistance, structural integrity, or build quality in any way. The 1535 air carry on its water and dust proof and includes a built-in purge valve for venting air and maintaining the proper pressure. This is an added bit of security for ensuring the contents of the case remain safe and sound no water where you take it. Pelican offers several different configurations for the interior of the case, including options with or without foam and 2 choices of divider systems. This is a way to keep your equipment not only safe in transit, but also well organized as well. A rugged, durable handle on the outside of the case makes it easy to grab and go, while a retractable extension handle allows you to drag it around on its built-in wheels. The wheels are robust enough that you don't need to worry about while wheeling this over the rough concrete. In Pelican 1535 Air Carry-On case, you can take your most valuable items like camera bodies, lenses, and so on with you. And if your case accidentally falls into the water, your gear will stay protected inside. Going on a boating trip in hot summer days can reduce your entertainment, as the hot air and humidity can make you feel tired. To solve this problem, Zero Breeze comes with a smart solution. Zero Breeze Mark II, the world's first battery-powered portable AC. Zero Breeze is a new and creative technology founded in March of 2014, in the mission of coming up with outdoor tools for outdoor activity enthusiasts. Zero Breeze Mark II is the ultimate battery-powered portable AC, has been designed to make your boat trip comfortable with its cooling system. It is made the smallest battery-powered portable air conditioner in the world as well, with a weight of 14 pounds, so you can easily carry it around to your fishing trip, family picnic, music festival, or anywhere to beat the summer heat. It can reduce the surrounding temperature by 17 degrees Celsius in just 10 minutes and keeps the space cool, regardless of the temperature outside, so you can stay cool in no time at anywhere. This portable AC comes with a revolutionary dual hose system to draw in fresh outdoor air and draw out the hot exhaust air through a separate hose. Plus, it allows an intake hose to be used to circulate fresh air inside, so you will feel no suffocation. It features a high energy density of 18,650 mAh battery, which enables it to provide 5 hours of long-lasting coolness for leisure on the boat. In addition to that, you can simply detach the battery to work as a power outlet, and this battery pack has 2 USB Type-A ports and 1 USB Type-C port for charging of your other equipment. So no matter where you are floating, you will never have to worry about finding power sources. This AC comes with patented noise cancellation technology that allows it to work at 40 to 50 decibels, which is perfect if you want a calm environment on your boat. You will find 4 working modes, including sleep mode and dehumidify mode, which you can switch in between according to your needs. It has a digital display that shows the airflow temperature of the AC, allowing you to monitor and adjust the temperature according to your need. It also comes equipped with a warm LED light, which provides the perfect amount of brightness on your boat for better visual at night or doing activities like reading books at night without any interruption. The Zero Breeze Mark II portable AC is still on crowdfunding campaign on Indiegogo, expecting to come out in the market very soon. The Zero Breeze 2 is a great solution for air conditioning, giving you and your family a cozy boat trip in hot summer days. MYCANOE's mission is to develop innovative outdoor gear to help people spend more time enjoying the outdoors rather than wasting time hauling and setting up their gear. Introducing the MYCANOE 2.5 Origami Folding Foldable Canoe, an award-winning first patented origami folding canoe which you can package compact and fit anywhere. When you fold this boat, it is sized into a case-like shape and turns into easy carry mode. Even fits into a small sedan, thus it remains always ready for adventure. It can transform within 10 minutes into a fully operational 14.5 feet full-sized Canadian canoe. There are 4 metal cross pieces and a stiffened gunwale to hold the shape of the canoe. The MYCANOE features 2 wide seats which are fit for sharing with friends and family for a brief water trip. It also features an optional stabilizer kit, recommended to use when the weight loaded on the canoe reaches the maximum weight capacity, or it also keeps the boat stabilized while floating on the rough water. With this stabilizer kit, this boat can hold up to 750 pounds of loads, and if you want to go without the kit, this boat is good enough for about 440 pounds. The body of it is made from a custom polypropylene with a 15-year UV treatment that is rated 20,000 volts, and it weighs around 52 pounds. If you are tight on storage space at your apartment or house, or if you travel with RVs and small vehicles, then the MYCANOE 2.5 Origami Folding Foldable Canoe is the right one to get. So that was all about the top 5 boating gadgets for outdoors. Like, share and comment your thoughts below if you like this video. subscribe to our channel for more videos like this on your feed.